Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You sign into Outlook on the web and immediately check that your account has an online archive enabled. This is essential because the archive only exists on Exchange. Once confirmed, expand the left folder pane, locate the archive mailbox, and open it. This is where older items live. From here, you can select messages and drag them into archive folders, or use the Move menu to archive in bulk. Do this now to separate current mail from long-term storage and keep your primary mailbox responsive. You create structured subfolders inside the archive to maintain organization. This reduces future search time. Once done, use the global search in Outlook Web, select Scope, All Mailboxes, or Archive, and filter by date, sender, or keyword to identify batches to move. Make sure to use the Move or Copy command for bulk actions, or set sweep rules to auto-archive recurring senders. For continuous control, create inbox rules that route messages older than X days into the archive. You finalize by verifying that archived messages are accessible and that your primary mailbox shows reduced size. This confirms success. Next, review retention tags and policies. Adjust them or request admin changes so items auto-move on the schedule you want. If you need a local backup, remember that exporting to PSD requires Outlook Desktop linked to Exchange. If something goes wrong, like the archive not appearing, check licensing and ask your admin to re-enable the archive mailbox. This resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.